Hi, it's John here from the home recording studio. This is the first video I've posted in a while, and that's because I've been busy with lots of projects, but one of the exciting projects which I wanted to share with you is I am developing a new Kontakt instrument. It's a piano which I sampled recently on a visit to Liverpool, and it is a baby grand piano. I'm going to give you a quick demo today so you can see what's coming. It's not quite finished, but if you'd like to stay up to date with all the developments and be the first to get your hands on this piano, then please head over to my website and sign up to the mailing list and you'll receive all the updates. It's been great fun to develop. It's a lot of hard work. I've learned a lot of new skills along the way, but it's been well worth it, and I hope you like the results. So before we get into the main content of the video, if you could all just please like the video because it really helps the channel. I do appreciate all the support. So thanks a lot, and let's get on with the video.
Okay, so here is the first look inside my new Kontakt instrument, which I have called Imagine Piano. Now, there are 3 different mic choices, and you can blend between those if you so wish. And there are also controls for volume, reverb, and delay. So let's have a listen to the first microphone, which is a pair of Sennheiser 8020 omnidirectional microphones. So nice sounding microphones, quite neutral sounding, and not particularly bright, but it's a nice soft sound. We've just got a little bit of reverb on at the moment, which is just like a plate reverb, but we're just going to leave that somewhere in the middle. We'll have a look at the second microphone, which is actually a pair of omnidirectional mics, similar to the first pair of mics, but these are a budget version. They are called Clippies. I think the actual name is EM272. I've used these microphones before for things like capturing nature sounds, natural ambience. They are a budget option compared to the Sennheiser 8020s. However, I think I do prefer these microphones. So let's have a listen. So again, really nice sound, perhaps a little bit brighter. These mics were positioned slightly closer to the strings, so that probably accounts for the brightness in the sound. Yeah, just another choice really. If you want a different type of sound, it just gives you that something different. And then finally, the last pair of mics are a pair of condenser microphones. They are AKG C451s, and they have cardioid pickup patterns. So again, it's a bit of a different sound, this. Let's have a listen. So certainly a brighter sound. These microphones were a little bit further away. Again, just another option if you want to play with the type of sound that you're getting from this piano. Let's just have a look at some of the effects. So I've showed you the plate reverb. Let's have a listen to the delay sound, which I wanted to try and recreate the tape delay sound that was used by people like John Lennon, and as this is named, the Imagine Piano. We can try and recreate that type of sound. That is the Imagine Piano, and this version is going to be available for you to download for free. I'll be working on a more advanced version, but this is where I've got to for now. There are some little tweaks to make. I don't know if I'm quite happy with the user interface for a start, so there may be some small changes to make. And then I can play around with the samples and maybe try out some more effects. One thing I want to do is make a lo-fi piano version, because I think this really works well with lo-fi. And yes, so that is the Imagine Piano. I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough.
If you think that looks like something you would like to get hold of, I am going to make it available for free. You will need the full version of Kontakt to be able to use it, but I am also working on a version that will work with Logic Sampler, so stay tuned for that. Like I say, head over to my website, which is thehomerecordingstudio.com, and if you sign up to my mailing list, then I'll keep you updated with all the developments with the piano. So thanks for watching. Please remember to hit that like button and subscribe if you want to stay tuned for future content. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you next time.